Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My mom had made chicken. Red chicken.
That's a barbecue that we cut.
Barbecue. Okay.
Oven.
And my mom had made vegetables.
Yes, we are in our pajamas because this is for dinner.
Take a look at these. First of all, that's the topic of the video.
Yeah. 203.
Ooh. Oh wait.
Okay.
Okay, now it's finished. I don't know why that will fall, but we'll do a taste test. So it's taste time.
Do the rice first.
Okay,
And
right
then
first.
hold on. Ate some of the rice.
Oh,
Oh,
okay. Now next up is chicken. Red chicken.
that's barbecue. Do you even like chicken? Like this type?
Yeah.
I love that.
To be honest, actually, it's good.
I'm a chicken fan. That's what I was telling.
I'm not, but this time I like it.
Like a few types of chicken he loves. And a few types of meat and a few types of fish.
And now I'll do these two by myself because my sister doesn't like those. Look at it. What is that? So
Have some baked beans.
I'm gonna okay, now I'm doing the, never mind. Now I'm gonna do the squash, butter squash. I'm gonna now eat it.
We got squash in the last video.
Yeah, it's very good.
Yeah,
Wait, I'll have one more. I like it. Now next up is the potatoes. Ugh. That's nice. Now my mom had made carrots too. It's good. I need to do it.
Wait until he flies. It is very sus whenever he flies. Yeah, he's a whale.
It's nice. Okay, and I already showed this, but it looks very nice to eat.
And the chicken. Okay, are you gonna taste the beans?
Now lastly, the beans. Beans with spice. Maybe too close to it.
Yeah. I'm really.
Good.
I
Very
don't
good.
even know how to eat, but look how much I got.
It's this. And please like and subscribe.
Wait, I want to say
Subscribe.
one more thing.
Okay, never mind
You
about
should
that.
make this, and if you have a dog and you just finish the whole thing and the bone's still there, and you have a dog, just give it to your dog. Dogs love.
But then it will hurt his more teeth.
Oh yeah. Like oatmeal.
What's that dog? Oh. Bye, like and subscribe. Bye.
Bye, like and subscribe, not watch and subscribe.
Peace.
And stay at the subscribe button for 2 hours and then press it.
Bye. Have a good time.
Make the chicken. Good night. Back. One subscribe.
Oh yeah, and I made money.
I also made one about astronauts because I love the galaxy.
Here it is.